Hey, good morning. Welcome to Back Door Channel for Dragon Week. So we're gonna play a drinking game. So every time I say Dragon Week, you gotta take a drink of your favorite drink. Run that intro up, just kidding. No drinking and driving. Good morning. It is Dragon Week. Yay. Ooh, this is gonna be a long, well, maybe about the same as always, because we usually add the days to the end, and sometimes, and then last year we did and left Tuesday. No, we left Monday. Yeah, we sure did. We left Monday. Met Ray and them, and how your mom and them? Met Ray and then stayed the night Tuesday, and then yep, that's what we did last time, so I guess this is the same as before. It's 72.5 degrees, July the 8th, Dragon Week. We got 180 miles to get up to Maryville. We'll be meeting Christopher David Lawson of the Paul, and TechNick Rides, and yeah, and we ride the dragon, tail of the dragon, the tail of yeah. Hey y'all, how your mom and them? I just wanted to say hey your mom and them. Yep, what'd I say? It says 86 miles, but that's showing me going up through 411 all the way. We're not going that way. Well, we're going to kind of go that way, but we're going to go to Calhoun and Chatsworth, go and pick up 411 up that way. I don't know. It's maybe a little quicker. Oh, it ain't. Did a lot of raining down here with all the gravel out in the road. I don't remember it raining that hard. But anyway, we'll catch you when we stop again, or whenever. Hey, I come back to tell you I'm gonna try. Hey, puppy dogs. Squirrel. I'm gonna try to bring you the real VAMM, like I thought we had before. But I mean more of the nightlife. Just sitting around in a hotel room balcony deal and this BS, and maybe not, I don't know, but there's gonna be a lot of Dragon Week videos. Somebody had a bad day. Damn, you lost your glove. Alrighty folks, I took that camera off while we stopped and eat breakfast at Jack's Family Restaurant. If you ain't never had a Jack's, you ain't from the South. Hey, what am I saying? We in Easton, just north of Chatsworth, I guess. We got like 85 miles to be to that the hotel. We're gonna stop by a winery, you know what I mean, Vern? I think, yeah, I took that camera off. Nobody wants to look at my pretty face. What in the world? Oh, this major area, major export is carpets. Carpet and string and stuff to do with carpet. Shaw University, Shaw carpet, you know. Yep. Alrighty, folks, here we are. I know y'all been waiting on this. We almost in Tennessee. Just right up the road a piece here. This is not the state line, just the railroad tracks. State line's right up here. I got a booger in my nose. Oh, me. It's right there. There it is, right there. Right there. Good old Rocky Talk, Tennessee. Yeah, buddy. We in Tamaga, Tennessee. On 411. We gateway to the Smoky Mountains. And right, if you look right in front of us, that's Smoky Mountains. Yeah, buddy. We're about 73 miles from the Maryville. And it's only 10:15. Making good time. Alright. Savannah's Oak. We ain't nowhere near the Savannah. You know it. We're going to the winery. It's on a gravel road. You gotta keep deep. That's the side porch. Don't get mixed up with the front porch. Closed on Sundays. That's what it says, winery right there. Whew. Warm. Alright, ooh. That was very good, very good. Very nice, very good people. I mean, strawberry was, oh, it's like eating a rich strawberry. Just, Blackberry, now it was real blackberry that tastes like blackberry. We didn't have enough room to buy a bunch. We'll have to come back. Guess he's been working. He got his lunchbox and his backpack. Maybe he went to school. Shorts and tennis shoes and black socks. Right up here is the southeast largest Harley store. Don't hold me to that, but it's pretty big. It used to be old Home Depot store. The shed. We're gonna dick around in the shed. I guess I could get on over here. Wish they had some shade. Yeah, wish they had some shade. People park right in the front. That must be special. Check the waterfall out with it. Pretty cool. That was the owners, or one of the salesmen. He's still parking the river road. So they got the Year of the Dragon, so I had to get me some Year of the Dragon poker chips. This is the week of the Dragon. Dragon Week. Remember the game? Oh, that's the Harley store truck pulled by Schneider. Oh, these people, a lot of traffic. Come on. Fixing to find out. We gonna find out. We gonna, you know what, and find out. There's the bank. So I guess you can go through here. check in at. Look at here. Sweet. I probably can't park there. Probably. Oh, that's the motorcycle man. Motorcycle man. We in 113, that's 111. Yeah, 114, 113. We right under the steps. Right in that front of that pickup truck. Got me dog. Figure out how to get out of here. Alright, I was looking for a 50's Diner. But it says it's right up here somewhere. It's called Hot Rods. Well, I guess they are open. Hot Rods. Hot Rods. Slow. I say so. Pretty cool, ain't it? A very cool place. But food was mediocre. I had cheap, I don't know what you call it, had gravy and beet and all over fries, and I'm glad I got a small because I couldn't finish it all. I wasn't really that hungry. Can't see come over that hill, so let's go back because this feels, I smell rain. Well, check this out. I guess that's a queen. Corner sofa. Fancy light bulbs, coffee table, kitchenette, full-size fridge, and a stove. Wow. Hey, here we are. We was going to go wait till 6 o'clock and go eat, but the place don't, it closes at 6:30. Let's get going. There's a car coming. And that's Christopher David Lawson of Nepal. You can see everybody behind me. I don't know, you can or not. Can or not? Probably can. Ooh, let's get out of here. Temperature is 99.5 degrees at 5:50. Woo! It's hot. Well, the dealership's closed. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna go back to the hotel, but we're gonna stop and get us some gas. See, it says low fuel detected. It's been on for about 3 or 4 miles now. But that food was pretty good. The Frito pie was real good. And Name of this restaurant. Well, it's a restaurant for motorcycles and cars. It's called Kinjo's. Cotton Eye Joe. Alright, we put $42 for 10 gallons. I put 5 in mine, and well, about the same in each of them. I went 190 miles. So we're gonna close it off tonight and go set us some air conditioning. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. She don't run in the back of me. Finish my videos. So let's see if I can do it right quick. No, probably not. Go check out that video right there, that one there, and hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up for Dragon Week. Yeah, baby.